My name's Daphne Martino from Interiors by Daphne, and we're right here in Miami, Florida. I met David from Pedini through a fellow interior designer friend who highly recommended Pedini, and it's been an incredible experience ever since. I was in the process of building my own house, and I interviewed David along with 9 other kitchen companies. You know, we're in the business, so we have a lot of vendors who we trust and work with. But in the end, I chose to work with David and Pedini. The whole team was amazing, from the design stages to renderings to all the specifications for electrical, plumbing. Everything is really laid out clearly. We designed this kitchen together. I was very specific about the finishes I wanted. Pedini and the whole team were adamant that they could deliver. We sent some samples to Italy. They sent us back stuff. It was exactly what I was looking for. And we worked together on this project, and it's been an amazing experience. We're really happy with the kitchen. It's probably the favorite part of the house for everybody.